Hello, welcome to Engineering Information Night. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to take an old warehouse building and transform it into a library for our community? Or perhaps build, design, and compete in a robotics competition? Or maybe you would want to dig deep into the world of cybersecurity. All of these projects, plus much more, are what our students in ETHS Engineering do each year. Hi, my name is Cindy Curtis and I will be your host tonight. I've been at ETHS now for 15 years teaching engineering and I absolutely love it. I teach Introduction to Engineering Design, Digital Electronics, and Engineering Design and Development, our capstone class. For tonight's presentation, I'll do a little bit of information about each of our different courses, and then we'll have an opportunity to do Zoom breakout rooms where we'll have Q&A with our ETHS staff. Before we begin, we will do introductions of ETHS engineering staff, and then I will go right into the presentation.
Hi there, my name is Tom Springelmeyer. I teach Introduction to Engineering Design, as well as the Automotive Technology classes here at ETHS. I'm actually an ETHS alumni, class of 2008. And all the awesome classes we have here in the Career and Technical Education Department are a big reason why I decided to come back and become a teacher.
Hello, my name is Jeff Tosh, and I teach civil engineering and architecture and principles of engineering. This is my 6th year teaching at ETHS and my 16th year teaching overall. My favorite thing about the curriculum is watching students come up with unique solutions to open-ended problems. I hope to meet you all soon.
Hey everybody, my name is Mr. Duffy. I'm one of the engineering teachers here at ETHS. I teach Introduction to Engineering Design. This is my 3rd year teaching here at ETHS and my 12th year teaching overall. I really enjoy teaching our engineering courses because they allow the students creativity and freedom to explore the topic while at the same time learning a highly technical skill.
Hi, I'm Gary Haller, and I'm one of the engineering teachers here. My courses are Cybersecurity and AP Computer Science Principles. I have been teaching here for about 14 years. I try to bring in some of my working world experience. I worked for 20 plus years at IBM in different parts of United Airlines. And I look forward to seeing you in my class. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jonathan Lawrence. I've taught at Evanston Township High School for 18 years now. The classes I teach are metal sculpture, manufacturing technology, and manufacturing engineering and robotics, which is the Project Lead the Way computer integrated manufacturing course. I really enjoy teaching Project Lead the Way courses because of the hands-on projects and all of the cool equipment that we get to play with all year. And I think the kids really get a lot out of working in groups and with all the expensive equipment.
And now we'll begin the informational presentation. Project Lead the Way is an amazing program. It empowers students to step into the role of an engineer, adopt a problem-solving mindset, and make a leap from dreamers to doers. The program course engages students in compelling, real-world challenges that help them become better collaborators and thinkers. Students take from the courses in-demand knowledge and skills they will use in high school and really for the rest of their lives on any career path they take. Each of our Project Lead the Way courses engages students in interdisciplinary activities like working with a client to design a home, programming electronic devices or robotic arms, or even analyzing the impact of computing on society. These activities not only build knowledge and skills in engineering, but also empowers your students to develop essential skills such as problem solving, critical and creative thinking, communication, collaboration, and perseverance. I'm happy to share with you that here at ETHS, we offer 8 different engineering courses. Our first 2 courses, Introduction to Engineering Design and Principles of Engineering, are part of our foundation courses. The information taught on these courses are transferable to many different fields of engineering. We also have 6 specialization courses, Civil Engineering and Architecture, Manufacturing Engineering and Robotics, AP Computer Science Principles, Digital Electronics and Arduino, Cybersecurity, and Engineering Design and Development, our capstone course. Each of the courses at ETHS are year-long and are at the 5.0 grade weight. At the end of each engineering course, students will take the end of course exam. This exam not only measures their content knowledge, but also their mastery of transportable skills of problem solving, collaboration, critical and creative thinking, communication, and yes, ethical reasoning. If you get a chance, feel free to visit our Wildkit Engineering website found on the tiny URL on the top of this slide. On this website, you're going to find a wealth of knowledge, including a list of resumes for each of our courses. In these resumes, you're going to find skills, knowledge, and experiences your students will have in each of the courses. This resume is great to use for internship opportunities, job, and college applications. I am now going to transition to talking about each of our 8 different courses, starting with our foundation courses of Introduction to Engineering Design and Principles of Engineering. Our first foundation course is Introduction to Engineering Design. Students in this course dig deep into the engineering design process, applying math, science, and engineering standards to hands-on projects like designing a new toy or improving an existing product. Students work both individually and in teams to design solutions to a variety of problems using 3D modeling software and Engineering Notebook to document their work. This course is a springboard to many other engineering courses offered at ETHS. This course is open to grades 9 through 12 and is available in both mixed gender and female-only sections. If you take a moment and look at the variety of pictures on the slide, you'll see the projects that the students engage in, including catapult design, 3D modeling, sketching, and we even did a carnival design challenge. Our next foundation course is Principles of Engineering. This course is designed to help students understand the different fields of engineering by exploring various technology systems and manufacturing processes. Through problems that engage and challenge, students explore a broad range of engineering topics, including mechanisms, the strength of structures and materials, and automation. Students develop skills in problem solving, research, and design while learning strategies for design process documentation, collaboration, and presentations. Students are asked to design, build, program, and test a variety of solutions to design problems. This course is open to students in grades 10 through 12. ETHS has 6 different specialization courses offered at the high school. In civil engineering and architecture, students learn the important aspects of building and site design and development. They apply math, science, and standard engineering practices to design both residential and commercial projects, and document their work using the latest 3D architectural design software. Throughout the last several years, students in this course were given the opportunity to visit commercial construction sites to help reinforce concepts learned in class. From smartphones to appliances, digital circuits are all around us. Digital electronics and Arduino provides a foundation for students who are interested in electrical engineering, electronics, or circuit design. Students study topics such as combinational and sequential logic and are exposed to circuit design tools used in industry, including logic gates, integrated circuits, and programmable logic devices. Students work with circuit design software, build circuits on breadboards, and learn to program Arduinos. Manufactured items are part of our everyday life, yet most students have not been introduced to the high-tech, innovative nature of modern manufacturing. Manufacturing, engineering, and robotics illuminates the opportunities related to understanding manufacturing. At the same time, it teaches students about manufacturing processes, product design, robotics, and automations. Students will become familiar with robotic structures, sensors, motors, and programming. Students will have the opportunity to participate in a robotics competition held at ETHS and other local schools. Computer numeric control and manufacturing processes will also be introduced with a lot of fun projects to be completed. Our next course is AP Computer Science Principles. This course focuses on developing students' understanding of computing as a creative process with connections to real-world problems. We will learn to write programs, understand how the web works, and work with computers to deal with a set of data or model simulations. As an advanced placement course, this class is equivalent to the first-year college computer science course for non-CS majors. It is all about getting the students of all fields to see computer science as a tool to use in their respective field or career. Whether seeking a career in the growing field of cybersecurity or learning to defend their own personal data or company's data, students in cybersecurity establish an ethical code of conduct while learning to defend data in today's complex cyber world. This hands-on course builds out students' skills through a series of lab activities. Students will receive open-ended problems where they will truly apply their skills to deal with a real-world cybersecurity issue. It really touches on multiple areas of computer science. Throughout the course, students are working collaboratively in teams. This course does have prerequisites of AP Computer Science Principles or AP Computer Science. Our final course is Engineering Design and Development, our capstone course. The knowledge and skills students acquire throughout Project Lead the Way Engineering come together in engineering design and development. Students identify a real-world challenge and then research, design, and test a solution, ultimately presenting their unique solutions to a panel of engineers. Students worked in self-selected teams applying skills they have developed to document their design process. Students who complete this course are ready to take on any post-secondary program or career. Project Lead the Way courses are amazing. By taking one of these courses, students become inspired to question what's possible and are prepared for long-term success. These courses not only develop your students' content knowledge in engineering, but they also help prepare your students to work as problem solvers, team players, and to persevere when projects get tough. We are preparing your students to be successful in future careers that have yet to be created. After high school, your student will be continuing their education or entering the workforce. The Project Lead the Way engineering courses are designed to prepare your students for success. I would now like to introduce Mrs. Beth Airy from the College and Career Center, who will now talk about some opportunities for your students' post-high school experience.
Project Lead the Way offers a strong support system for STEM education. Project Lead the Way prepares students for 2-year and 4-year engineering and engineering tech programs and increases students' success in those programs. PLTW courses allow for opportunities to explore interests and careers. There are over 40 engineering and engineering tech options to explore. Additionally, more than 150 colleges recognize and reward the accomplishments of PLTW students in a variety of ways. Although not designated College Board Advanced Placement courses, some colleges will provide course credit or course placement for completing PLTW courses. Some colleges also provide PLTW students with scholarships. It is important to note that the number one thing colleges look for in an applicant is course selection. Taking PLTW courses shows interest beyond graduation requirements, and applicants are rewarded for choosing courses with a more rigorous curriculum. Colleges value exposure to engineering as well as experience and confirmed interest in engineering, which leads to greater retention in an engineering program. Lastly, PLTW provides students with material to write stronger college application essays, which can make you stand out in the admission review process.
Thank you, Beth. As you can see, there are so many different great opportunities for your students to have post-high school. One of the cool things that we have locally is Oakton Community College offers dual credit for 4 of our engineering classes, which means if you take one of our engineering classes, Intro to Engineering Design, Principles of Engineering, Civil Engineering and Architecture, or Manufacturing, Engineering, and Robotics, your student can earn college credit at Oakton. These courses could then be transferred to many different 4-year universities, or your student could start earning their associate degree in any one of these 3 degree programs. There are many different STEM engineering clubs that your student can be involved in at the high school. Tonight, you will have an opportunity to talk to 3 of our different clubs: SHIP, the Society for Hispanic Professional Engineers, NSBE, the National Society for Black Engineers, and WISTEM, Women in Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. This concludes the slides portion of our presentation. If you would like to have more information about the classes or talk to our engineering staff, we will have Zooms starting very shortly where you can join and talk to our team. You can find all of this information on our website, and then please feel free to look around on that website. There's a wealth of information on the individual classes and opportunities for your student. Thank you again for joining us. We really appreciate it.